In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Notion desktop app not loading on Windows or Mac. If your Notion desktop app won't load, it usually comes down to a few common causes: an unstable internet connection, corrupted cache or local data, an outdated app version, or another program blocking Notion, like a firewall or VPN. Sometimes network DNS settings or your internet provider can get in the way. Less often, there are server-side issues, your system date and time are off, or graphics acceleration on your device causes display problems. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence to get you back in quickly. Start with the basics. Confirm your internet is working and stable, then check the Notion status page to see if there's an active outage. If Notion servers are having trouble, wait it out and try again later. Next, try a simple refresh. In the app's menu bar, open View and choose Force Reload. If the window is frozen, fully close the app and reopen it. On Windows, you can also open Task Manager, end any Notion processes, and then start the app again. If it still hangs, restart your computer to clear temporary memory issues. If the problem persists, reset the app's local data. On Windows, press the Windows key and R together, type %appdata %Notion, and delete the contents of that folder. On macOS, open the Library folder under your user directory, go to Application Support, find the Notion folder, and delete its contents. This clears cached files that can become corrupted. It doesn't delete your cloud content, but it will sign you out, so be ready to sign back in. Now make sure you're on the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that address loading issues, so update Notion before continuing. If the app still won't load, temporarily turn off any VPN, firewall, or antivirus software to test whether they're blocking Notion. If the app opens after you disable them, add an exception for Notion and re-enable your security tools. Suspect a network problem? Try changing your DNS to a public service such as Cloudflare at 1.1.1.1 or Google at 8.8.8.8, then relaunch Notion. If the window appears but stays blank, disable GPU acceleration. In the app's shortcut properties, look for an option to disable hardware or GPU acceleration, then reopen the app. As a final step, uninstall Notion, restart your computer, and install the latest version from Notion's official website. If none of these steps work and the status page shows an incident, the issue is likely on the server side. Check back later.